Hey guys, hope you are doing well. The crypto market is doing something amazing. Bitcoin getting closer to new all-time high. Ethereum reached new all-time high. Binance just uh, for a small distance from the new all-time high, and the market looks really bullish. So my name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, DeFi, NFT gems every day to keep you updated and educated. Nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, so everything just for educational and entertainment purposes only. So if you are new, please subscribe to the channel, push the bell notification on, and push the like, and let's get started. Let's share my bubble chart and see what's happening out there. As you see, almost the whole market is in green, so almost all the altcoins are pumping. Just Hex, X Infinity, and Cardano is correcting, but Cardano rallied seven times, so did a 700% surge in the past few days. So Kusama, not Kusama, what's this? So KuCoin shares is up 20%, Litecoin 12, Luna 6, Basic Attention Token 17, HBAR 6, and LRC 64%, Algorand 8%, WeChain broke up, Phantom is continuing to pump, CRO is up, so good to see. A MakerDAO is up 10%, Dash also started to run, so altcoins like Dash, Litecoin are moving. And as you see, Bitcoin is up 5%, so also Bitcoin is leading the rally, and Ethereum is up 2.9%. Binance Coin and Solana is consolidating a little bit, but they are doing well. So let's check our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. And you see that the index shows 75, so it is in the greed zone, and almost the past few days the index spent in the greed zone, and it's just consolidating here. But you remember in September and almost in the entire summer, the index was at the really low levels, around 20 and even 10. And that time investors were really they were worrying, and that was a good buying opportunity. So they were fearful, and that was a good buying opportunity. And when investors are getting greedy, the index is going about 90, 90 about 100, then it's due for a correction, but greediness can last several weeks and months. Let's go to our next news and see what do we have. Resistance is futile. 5 things to watch in Bitcoin this week. The surprise surge greets BTC holders at the start of the new week, with 65,000 suddenly returning overnight. Large futures gap opens at BTC passes 65,000, and also Silbert is tweeting that going to be a big week. Yes. Resistance is futile podcast host Melker surprised alongside a chart showing Bitcoin's trend breakout. So that was a nice breakout. Looks pretty bullish. Might retrace to the CME gap, but looks like fire overall, in my opinion. So this is chart, and you see that are getting closer to the new all-time high, and this is a nice 4-hourly candle. Funding grows as extreme greed awaits. So BTC 2000 plus over the last couple of hours with no large uptick in future open interest or perp funding. Current price action is a result of spot selling exhaustion and not a result of a sudden increase in leverage. No sell side liquidity and gap upwards. So there is no increase in the leverage positions, but there was that spot sellers exhausted, and then bulls pump the price up. So this is what you see, that all the leverage and derivative exchanges, there was no surge. Okay, also the Bitcoin Fear Index is at 75. Miners still aren't selling. Here is why. So this graph showing the Bitcoin price and the miners outflow. So you see the outflow is really at really low level. And despite this reduction in BTC denominated income, miner revenue in USD is up 550% since the 2020 halving and approaching an all-time high of 62 million US dollar per day. So this is why they are not selling Bitcoin. Total miner revenue, all miners, so daily miner revenue is up 62 million US dollar, and they are up almost 5 times since the last halving. That is why they are not running to sell. Hash rate shows sheer resilience. So hash rate is just going up and it's getting more and more harsher. Inflation worries with CPI data due. We are of the view that there is upside risk in both these CPI numbers, and as a result, there is actually a risk the Fed might actually accelerate the pace of asset purchases. So that would be the tempering event. Okay, so these are the major things to watch in this week. And let's go to our next news. Crypto markets tags 6 trillion US dollar combined market cap for first time. Yes, so guys, let's celebrate. This is 3 trillion US dollar market cap and all time for Ethereum, Solana, and also Polkadot is getting there with new all-time highs. And this is huge. Okay, so what else do we have here? Why Bitcoin still beats out its closest rival by more than double in terms of market share with 40.5% or 1.22 trillion compared to Ether's. Okay, so good to see that. And also altcoins are surging, Bitcoins are surging. So this is the best time to live. Ethereum back in price discovery as ETH approaches 5,000 US dollars. So we are not there, but getting closer. Ethereum crossed the 4,700 US dollar mark following Bitcoin's rally. ETH's price rose by 3.3% in the past 24 hours. And yes, nice. Inflationary pressure returns that 5.4% tempo recorded in September, and the concern that this inflation will increase from here, and then it means that the US dollar is using from its value. And also the US central bank decided to unwind its 120 billion US dollar a month asset purchase program to tame the persistently rising consumer prices and bring them down to its intended 2% target. Ethereum price technicals, as you see, we are moving in this upward trending trend line with some bull flags, and now we are getting closer to reach the upper trend line. And if Ethereum will break it, then it will go parabolic. If not, it's coming back to the lower trend line. So the resistance trend line near to 4,800 and 5,000 area as shown in the chart below. Yes, so definitely. Goldman Sachs anticipates Ether to have hit 8,000 by December 2021. So this is from Goldman Sachs. Not me is saying this, but Goldman Sachs. And our next piece of news this is our headline news for today. JP Morgan doubles down on Bitcoin price prediction of 146,000 US dollars. Global investment bank JP Morgan has doubled down on its Bitcoin price prediction of 146,000. The bank's analyst explained that the price of the cryptocurrency could reach that level if its volatility subsides and institutional investors start investing in Bitcoin more than gold in their portfolios. So JP Morgan already signaled that investors choosing gold, choosing Bitcoin instead of gold, and they are taking out money from gold ETFs and buying Bitcoin ETF. JP Morgan renews 136,000. Yes, Bitcoin's allure as an inflation hedge has perhaps been strengthened by the failure of gold to respond in recent weeks to heightened concerns over inflation. Okay, digital assets have emerged as a clear winner post the pandemic, with retail investors joining institutional investors such as family offices, hedge funds, and real money asset managers, including insurance companies, in proprietary the asset class. So we have some good that's coming out from this COVID pandemic lockdown, things that crypto is rising. So our next piece of news is Elon Musk lets Twitter poll decide if he should sell 20 billion in Tesla stock. Investors suggest buy Bitcoin. Okay, so let's check this. I have something here also on my Twitter feed. Let's check this out. And yes, let's see, where is this tweet from Elon Musk? Where is this tweet? Yeah, so much is made lately of unrealized gains being a means of tax avoidance, so I propose selling 10% of my Tesla stock. Do you support this? Almost 58% responded yes, and that was a 3.5 million votes, and also 40,000 shares and 140,000 likes. So this is definitely huge. And let's see what else. I will be abide by the results of this poll, whichever ways it goes. Note, I don't take a cash salary or bonus from anywhere. I only have stocks. Thus, the only way for me to pay taxes personally is to sell stocks. Okay. So there are other tweets. This Twitter poll decides the fate of 20 billion plus of Tesla stock lol. So this is huge. And also let's get back and see what else do we have. Michael Saylor responded, if the goal is diversification, an alternate strategy for considering is converting the Tesla balance sheet to a Bitcoin standard and purchasing 25 billion US dollar in BTC. That would deliver diversification, inflation protection, and more upside for all investors in a tax-efficient manner. So this is, I think, this is really well said from Michael Saylor. And also let's check what else do we have. So yes, sell to receive 10 billion plus USD and buy Bitcoin with it. You will turn that 10 billion US dollar plus into 100 billion plus and can use the proceeds to first increase the odds of fulfilling the Tesla and SpaceX missions, and second, helping even more people and countries. So this is a really honest suggestion. Whether or not the world's wealthiest man pays any taxes at all shouldn't depend on the results of a Twitter poll. It's time for the billionaires' income tax. So that was another tweet from US Senator Ron Wyden or whoever. Okay, so that was a nice tweet storm around Elon Musk's tweet, and also we have some other sharings that let's check out from Plan B. Now we are just here. The red is where we are now in this cycle, and we are far away to top out. 4 American city majors will be paid in Bitcoin: Miami, New York City, Jackson, and Tampa Bay. And also Bitcoin illiquid supply shock broke its 20 highs. So this is the highest level of the illiquid supply shock of Bitcoin. and then it will definitely push up the price. And also Ethereum's balances on exchanges is still falling from the cliff. 28% of the total supply logged in smart contracts, and supply shock is coming soon. So what else do we have? Yes, okay. How to find a next 100% altcoin. Chasing is how most get tracked. Buy high quality crypto and hodl until huge gains. Don't know when they will pump. Could take weeks, months, or years, but if it's quality, it will certainly pump money in the right direction. Also, check out our video yesterday. I'm talking about how Reddit will add 500 million users to crypto. So this is definitely huge. Check out. And also, yes, we have this chart from crypto differ from the play to earn coins. And also check out this from sentiment, where still accumulating about 60,000 US dollar. And you see this as Bitcoin price is going up, whereas still accumulating. So they purchased, they increased 43,000 more BTC in the past few days. So this was from sentiment. Let's check it from TechDev. So TechDev is showing here on the 2013 chart that we are here. On the 2017 chart, we are here. And also on the 2021 chart, we are here. And using this 2.272 Fibonacci extensions. And it's showing that it definitely, our price target is 200,000 for Bitcoin, but it can spike these and also maybe go to 220 or 240, but it's a little bit far away. So, cool. Let's check this also from TechDev. First up, okay, so this showing us this is RSI, RVI, and stochastic RSI. And you see when Bitcoin price stopped in the previous cycles, that also we've seen RSI topping on these levels. But now we are just going in that direction. And if all these will topping out, that we can expect Bitcoin somewhere to reach this cycle top at around 200,000 US dollars. So guys, definitely follow me on Twitter and also follow Corion platform, and you will get more these kind of crypto related news and education. Next piece of news is blockchain metaverse startups, unparalleled investment potential. So unparalleled investment potential. And let's go and back check out the video from last week. I talked about how Facebook is entering this metaverse space and also changing their name to Metaverse, and how all these influencing the market. Also, let's quote from Mark Zuckerberg: our overarching goal across all of these initiatives is to bring the metaverse to life. How big could metaverse become? Roblox and Fortnite already the space such, and we have Decentraland, Upland, and Sandbox, as well as Victoria VR in this space. Epic Games, Fortnite, Google, Facebook. So everybody will come in this metaverse. All major brands, all gaming companies, all social media companies will enter the metaverse, and they will just talking to folks here in the metaverse and interacting with different things with AR, VR, and also with NFTs and crypto tokens. Bloomberg has estimated that the size of the metaverse market is worth 800 billion US dollar. Even though this is the formative stage, savvy crypto investors can contribute to the growth of metaverse and trade in the tokens of high growth startups. So guys, you can go and buy these metaverse tokens. I already made several videos, and also you see Decentralized Sandbox, Engine, UFO, and others. And the metaverse market size just will booming here. So 10 times in 9 years from here, 10 times in 9 years from here. How can you invest in metaverse? Cryptocurrencies are already a part of these virtual realities. And yeah, and also there are some specified investment vehicle like VCs and metaverse ETF maybe will come soon, also with some traditional metaverse projects, stocks, and also Cloudflare and NVIDIA gaming engines, including Unity and Roblox, on pioneers of metaverse content. So these companies are traditional companies and correlated to metaverses. Okay, so 1 trillion, the market that we are just entering. So guys, I keep it open. And our next piece of news is Spain Banco Santander actively planning to launch first Bitcoin ETF. Okay, so we are a leader in crypto. It's said by Banco Santander, one of the biggest bank in the world. We issue the first bond on the blockchain. We have a strong team working on it. Our clients want to buy Bitcoin, but we have been quite slow to adopt it due to regulatory issues. So banks still have regulatory issues. That is why they are entering crypto slowly, but they are coming surely. Now we are about to offer cryptocurrency ETFs. So this is definitely huge. And Banco Santander will spread Bitcoin ETFs across the Spanish and Portuguese speaking countries and also other countries, because Banco Santander, I think it's almost everywhere. So really great news, and I think other banks will follow. So our next piece of news is blockchain metaverse startups unparalleled investment potential. So this is unparalleled investment potential. Yeah, already talked about this. Sorry for that. I already talked about this. Okay, so our next piece of news is the XRP lawsuit. Market rages with settlement speculations, but will either parties fold? Okay, so they are just pondering upon that, how will this lawsuit ending, and everybody just waiting that will be some settlements. So below update schedule, although it has been quite publicly, you will see that the parties have a lot of work to do based on recent decisions on the discovery disputes. Okay. XRP lawsuit favors Ripple. XRP's steady bull run. So there is a speculation going on, but I cannot give any penny to this, but I'm sure if someday it will come, and it's depending on how the decision will be made, but I think XRP can start rallying after this lawsuit ended, and if there will be some things that, okay, XRP will be supposed to be a security, then maybe for a few days we will see some dump. Then when people realize that, okay, that they can also trade XRP on Nasdaq or whatever, then I think it will turn definitely bullish. So I'm bullish on XRP, but the time needed, because we don't know that it will take 1 week or 1 month or maybe 1 year that this lawsuit will be come to the end. This country, the next piece of news, this country could be next to implement crypto legal tender. So we know that first country was El Salvador in September, and now Zimbabwe authorities has confirmed that the government is in consultation with the private market to legally adopt crypto payment services. Okay, so they are working on this. They will register everybody, they will just regulate somehow, but they want to make it legal tender. And also they're trying to understand and create policies on how to deal with it. So I think they are just in the educational process. I hope they are also watching my videos, but it's good for now that they are just embracing it and educating the officials, and then they will work out some regulations. And I hope that they are talking to El Salvador's governments, to Nayib Bukele and all guys over there. So this was the news yesterday. Definitely check out the yesterday news. So Reddit will convert karma points into digital currency, and with this, adding the 500 million Reddit users to crypto. And this is definitely huge. Crypto has almost or around 150 million users right now, and Reddit adding 500 million, and they will use Ethereum's layer 2 solution Arbitrum. So this is definitely huge that they are using Arbitrum, decentralized social media. So this is definitely huge. Check out the video from yesterday. So let's go and check some charts. That's what's happening out there. So guys, as we are talking here, Bitcoin is getting closer to reach new all-time high. And this formation is really nice setup. So there was a hasty consolidation, and now it's a kind of cap formation. So that I'm definitely bullish on Bitcoin. And also I think altcoins will follow, and Bitcoin moved up with this bull flag and now consolidating. So maybe we will see another bull flag before breaking up. Now it stopped right before the new all-time high, but for now, I'm really happy that Bitcoin just left this 63 and 64,000 resistance. So there was a resistance, and now this resistance flipped to support, and it's definitely good to see that this resistance flipped to support. So I just want to find where I have this on my chart, but I don't find it where I made some drawings, but yes. So here we come. So this is this resistance flip to support, and this is definitely huge. And now Bitcoin seems to be trading on this rising wedge, and we'll see if this rising wedge will broke up, or maybe it will be coming down to these levels. So this new all-time high, maybe we'll just give, but good to see that this flipped, the resistance flipped to support. Let's check other coins. We're doing well. Algorand starting to heating up, looking really nice, and Algorand, if leaving this accumulation zone, that we will see a nice rally from here. Are we doing well? Also consolidating in here in a symmetrical triangle, and if the continuation, we are following the continuation pattern, then it will break up very soon and targeting 100 US dollar. Avalanche is running really well, got really close to 100, but stopped at 26 not 26, 80, 87 US dollars. So now consolidating. Binance coin is also heating up for a new all-time high, and as I'm just switching to daily chart, you see that we are really close to new all-time high, and Binance coin did really well. We traded it from 350. So Cake, I think Cake will follow Binance coin. Cake just left our buy zone, but nothing special, so haven't rallied yet. So I think that follow Binance coin. What else do we have? Dogecoin. Yeah, there is some movement on Dogecoin because some folks are just speculating if Elon Musk will use, if we will sell some Tesla stocks, that's pumping Dogecoin, but I'm not sure. But it seems that we have this trend line here and also this horizontal trend line. So if this holds, that we will see some nice run up. Yes, Polkadot is doing well, and now Polkadot is consolidating, but looks really bullish for me. and the parachain auctions coming in 3 days. So that was a nice retest of these 49 levels. So maybe it will just continue from here. Arrow doing well, supported by this trend line, and EOS showing some signs of life. Yes, we see, but EOS is in accumulation zone. I think EOS will pump when the bullish exchange will be announced. Ethereum is doing well, going up really nicely, and Ethereum also supported by these trend lines. And this trend, I'm just watching out for this trend line. So every time Ethereum is coming down, I think it's a good buying opportunity. And yeah, so until this trend line is supporting the Ethereum movement, then it looks really bullish for me. And the new all-time high already flipped. So maybe we will see some consolidation, but really looking good for now. Phantom started to pumping further. Phantom is doing something amazing. So now Phantom retested our target zone, and I think from here we will see the next Fibonacci level at 4.8, and that would give us, let's see, almost 50% profit. FTT is doing well, getting closer to our price targets. GRT, yes, in the accumulation zone. And what else? Guys, write in the comment section, please. Write in the comment section what is your price prediction for Bitcoin at the end of the year. And also, please write your favorite altcoins besides CorionX. So Link looks really bullish, supported by this trend line. And also, I really like this movement. And Litecoin started to pump, 11% pump. And Litecoin seems to break these horizontal levels. And if so, then I think we will see a nice run-up towards the new all-time high at around 400. And then from here, it's almost a double that can. Terra Luna continuing forward from here, looks really good, and setting up new all-time high. And the Terra Luna ecosystem is just will be amazing. Matic is consolidating. So Matic is sitting on our trend line, is just consolidating here. And watch out what others are doing. Solana also reached the new all-time high, now consolidating. The Solana conference is going on in Lisbon, so maybe that will give some nice push, but after that I think we will see some consolidation. Yes. Sushi left our buy zone, but looks really good. Sushi is a volatile coin, so be careful, but I think it's really undervalued. WeChain, yes, WeChain broke out from this rising wedge. And guys, just remember, also yesterday I checked WeChain. So now WeChain tested 1 time, 3 times, 4 times, and 5th times just broke up nicely. And we haven't seen any retest. Let's check on the hourly. Yeah, so a kind of retest. So WeChain did a kind of retest and now just shoot it up. So looks really good what WeChain is doing. XRP also on these rumors, XRP started to pump and left retested, broke up from this triangle, retested it, and now it started to going up. And our price target is 1.7. So I'm bullish on XRP. We'll see how this lawsuit will be ending. Moonriver is one of the potential parachain auction winner, and definitely Moonriver just also we got the news that Moonriver will be listed on Binance. So that was this huge run up today that Moonriver will be listed on Binance, so 30% upside. So congratulations if you traded this. I told you several times that I expect more reward to be listed on Binance. Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu is getting closer to our support zone. So, and also it's mimicking the same pattern. So I think a short on Shiba Inu would pay out well, at least until reaching this support zone. And we will see if Shiba can bounce here or not. If not, that maybe also can go lower, but maybe we'll bounce here and then targeting our next zone. So I make this alert here, and yes, okay. One Harmony doing really well after breaking up and continuing its movement. Sand correcting. So I really want to jump in sand, but I see that it's not correcting. Maybe we'll come a little bit lower, or they reach 50% of the retracement. And Cardano, as after this huge run up, still consolidating, and I like this consolidation. So definitely we'll watch out and looking for some longs to enter on spot. And definitely I think the next level should be somewhere here at 13. So I will place some orders there. So guys, that's it for today. Also be sure to join our Telegram channel. You find here some nice crypto news, social media post sharings, YouTube videos, and also few updates. So definitely join our channel, and also let's come and visit CorionX farms. You can farm on BNB CorionX pairs on Binance Smart Chain and earn up to 233 or even almost 800%. But don't use the BNB BUSD pairs because it's a deposit fee, and then I don't recommend this, but it's the CorionX pairs are good to go. So also you can go to our Ethereum farm if you hold coins on Ethereum. So guys, this is for today. Please smash the like, push the bell, notification, or subscribe to the channel, and see you tomorrow. Write in the comment section which is your favorite altcoin besides CorionX, and what is your Bitcoin and year price prediction. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.